Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. This is just the beginning as XRP's price increases by more than 15% today. XRP's potential relocation has been on our minds for some time now. Just 2 days ago, I made a video in which I explained my prediction that XRP would move and the basic reasoning behind it. We will now explain why XRP is expected to reach $1, $2, or even higher in the near future, and more importantly, why many are so bullish on this price. Therefore, please subscribe and like if you find that interesting. If you wish to remain competitive in the market, you must do what is necessary. You are aware that we have enabled all notifications on your bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when we post new content, and when we go live with breaking news on the crypto bull market. Well, without further ado, let's dive into this XRP video. So, in a moment, we will return to the topic of the chart. As Bitcoin breaks out of the declining channel we've been discussing, XRP is increasing by 16%. Just a few days ago, I predicted this very action, as I mentioned before. But for what reason? Let me explain what's going on and why I think XRP's price will continue to rise. You see, Monica has really been giving us some fascinating details regarding the soon-to-be-launched RLUSD stablecoin for quite some time. Actually, she was doing both, speaking at the FinTech conference in Singapore and interviewing with CNBC. She brought attention to the growing demand for reliable coinage. Again, tethers were not without their problems. USDC is facing criticism as well, but its revolutionary payment system potential is what really matters. What makes stablecoins stand out? According to Monica Long's interview with CNBC, stablecoins have a market cap of around $170 billion and are expected to reach over $3 trillion in the next few years. This is due to the high demand for them as a means of accessing and transferring other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and altcoins. Returning to the normie realm of fiat currency, stablecoins play an important role there. As proof that conventional financial organizations are adopting stable coinage, she referred to Stripes regarding the purchase of bridges. Ripples has long stressed its operational readiness for the launch of RLUSD, and is presently seeking clearance from the New York Department of Financial Services for its trust application, as we discussed on this channel. However, we are cognizant of the significance of regulatory approval. Not only are these developments encouraging, but she went on to say that the desire for stablecoins is apparent at Ripple and that everyone was talking about them. USD is prepared to fulfill the demand as soon as it gets the go light from regulators. People are actually lined up to purchase it. Prior to its formal introduction, they have obtained quotes and early commitments from customers. You can be sure that whenever it is out, this will be a huge hit. Stable coins are precisely that, for the benefit of anyone new to the Bitcoin market. They remain steady. Inertia grips them. At its core, this will be XRP, which has the potential to be a tremendous asset with practical applications for our USD, and the engine that drives the XRPL that we've discussed at length. There are a few important points to address, and that is why some are already speculating that $2 XRP could be possible by the end of 2024. One is the SEC lawsuit, and the second is that XRP's price surge must continue. Now is the time for institutional and retail buyers and sellers as well as volume. Why is XRP currently making a move? And many are wondering the very thing. Well, it's no secret that Trump has begun to assemble his administration for the new year, which has either confirmed or added fuel to the fire that Gary Gensler will be ousted from office. Look at this graph at this second. XRP did show some decent increases last week, but it failed to break out beyond 75 cents. That's a significant change, and it hasn't happened since March of this year. Another reason XRP is moving and why many people are getting positive on it is because Trump is the president-elect. The 90-cent mark is actually a target for options traders who are hoping to make a big move or, call options. For those looking to invest or get involved, this is quite bullish. Approximately $3.6 million is at stake in the over 5.6 million open contracts. The majority of the call options were concentrated on the November 29th expiration date, according to Amber data. Take note of that. Many are predicting a strong rebound, and the $1 to 1.1 options expiring on December 27 indicate that this trend is likely to persist until the year ends. According to the numbers, this is great news for the cryptocurrency community as a whole, but especially for those who have been holding on to XRP for the longest period of time. Now, what's the next chart topper? Behold this, my friend. There was a rally. In order to get a feel for where we were earlier, you'll need to go backwards through the 3-day chart. We will set our next price target at the breakout over 79 cents. We are anticipating a substantial upswing. We will make a major move in the market if we can get above 79 cents. We need to overcome the bears using COVID loudness. Or keep in mind that XRP often makes a sudden surge before retracing, usually in response to an SEC case or other negative development. By following the breakout, retracement, retest, and bounce patterns shown above, you can observe how the market operates. We are seeking that in relation to XRP. Once again, 87 cents might be a crucial line if we return to our earlier position in this upper area. In the coming week, we should be on the lookout for some important levels, such as 133 and maybe even $2. However, we are aware that XRP is surging due to many traders holding an optimistic outlook and the possibility of Gary Gensler's dismissal. Prepare yourself. XRP is going places, so you shouldn't let yourself be left behind. Some major benefits might be on the horizon, in my opinion. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.